Ndị be anyị kenere m unu. Anyị sị ka ụbọchị nke taa mana na anyị na mma. Anyị sị ka nke onye chiri ya zelu dịka o si dị. O nwere update anyị ji maka ya wee bịa n'iru akwụkwọ. Ma tupu anyị egosi unu ya bụ ihe, o nwere ife anyị chọrọ ikwu tupu anyị egosi unu ya bụ update anyị ji maka ya wee bịa n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị nke taa. Dịka unu ma ihe mere na nya nke gara aga, after the court ruling ahụ Binta Nyako nyere, unu fụ ka ebe nne-esi wee wụlụ ọkụ. Ọma dike ndị Igbo si wee defend ya onwe ya n'ụlọ nke ọkaikpe. Yes, o nwere ife m chọrọ iwepụta na ya bụ ife tupu anyị etinyere n'ife anyị ji maka ya wee bịa. Just ka m kwuo obere okwu gbasara maka ya bụ ife. O nwere one prophecy e nyere, dialogue now, but ọ dị ka dialogue ahụ Nigeria government adịghị eme understand. Mụ na gị na mbụ ma ife na-eme n'obodo a kịta ọtọ ọzọ ụtọ. And Maazị Nnamdi Kanu bụ only person that can stop it. Ihe a na-eme n'obodo a is the only person that can stop this thing. Still, ndị a wee use politics wee na-akụwa anyị n'isi. Okay, gegodi na ihe anọ a, ihe one of the Biafran commander ife owere ikwu, just gee ya bụ ife, just tọntị na ọfụma gee ya, ị ga-esi ya tụsaa ya bụ ozi ka ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ wee ghọta ihe na-eme n'obodo a. All right, over to you.
The General Butozo, the General Commander of all Biafran's Defense Forces. I greet you so much, sir. I appreciate your courage, your resoluteness, your steadfastness, your love of defending Biafra nation. General, Monsa, I greet you. And I also greet all the whole Biafrans that are working assiduously of making sure that the total liberation and total restoration of Biafra is finally actualized. Those on social media doing nice work, we appreciate all of you. And all the commanders of 40 states of United States of Biafra, all the commanders that are fighting tooth and nail to make sure that our territory, the Biafra nation, the Biafra land is protected and defended. I greet all of you. I want to also use this opportunity, being 7th of February 2025, to let the United Nations to understand what is going on in Biafra land, what is going on in the United States of Biafra. There is war, a serious war is going on. The battle in Biafra land is a heavy one that even foreign mercenaries have been entering into Nigeria to help Nigeria, to assist Nigeria, to combat, to war against, to fight against Biafrans. I want the United Nations, the world leaders, to hear me and hear me clear. There is a war going on in the land of Biafra, and the Nigerian terrorist government has been bringing terrorist soldiers in all over countries that support Islamic agenda. We are passing a very serious war in Biafra land. Serious war. Get it down. For the world to understand what I am saying. After the Biafran First War with Nigerian government in 1960, there has been war going on, underground war going on. There has been a killings, murdering of innocent Biafrans, destroying life and properties. Today, you can bear us witness. You can see it with your eyes what is going on social media. How Nigerian terrorist governments with Islamic foot soldiers that is from Sahel, that has been killing people. It is on social media everywhere. Okay, today we are facing the war, and the world kept silent. All lovers of freedom, both those on social media, please share this message. Share it very wide. It is very, very important what is going on for the people of the world to understand what is going on in the land of Biafra. Our youth, the youth of Biafra has been all killed by hopes of them, and nobody is talking anything. Our people has been kidnapped, hijacked, kidnapped in every locations in the whole 40 state of Biafra, and nobody saying anything. Christopher Musa is the real person that is killing Biafrans, murdering Biafrans by the assistance of Tinubu, purpose of them, and Southeast political idiots. Please, I want Biafrans to look into the matter issue of Mazi Semonaipa. Please, Finland, AU, European Union, all the lovers of freedom, please release Mazi Semonaipa. He is our able prime minister. We are proud of him. He is the good guy. He is a good man. He is the only voice that is speaking for Biafrans since the detention of Mazi Semonaipa. There has been killings in Biafra land. For you to understand that Semonaipa is not the problem, because there has been killing against Biafrans before Nnamdi came up. It is because of the killings against Igbos that makes Nnamdi to come up to be a man that is speaking for his own people. They call him a terrorist. They tag him a terrorist, and they kidnap him in Kenya, audition him in Nigeria, and they still holding him in DSS dungeon in Abuja. We are not Islam. We can never be a Muslim. We can never bow down to any other God except the God of Biafrans. And we are proud of our God, Chukwu Okike Abiyama. So the men on ground, we are standing resolute. Commander Gentle Killer, I applaud you. You are a great man. I am hearing every good things. Every good thing that you are doing to protect your land, the land of Biafra. May Chukwu Okike Abiyama bless you. And all the commanders in 40 states of Biafra that is standing resolute in making sure our territory are protected. Please, United Nations, we need your support. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let Mazi Nnamdi Kanu regain his freedom. That is what we are asking for. This is what we are agitating. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, what has he done? Release him for us. If you release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, there will be peace in Biafra land. If you release Mazi Semonaipa, there will be peace in Biafra land. Please, the whole world should listen to us. Biafran people are dying. The men on ground has been trying all their possible means to make sure the Biafrans are protected. But now, the foreign mercenaries have entered. The foreign mercenaries have entered. The ECOWAS, they join together. They team up together. All the ECOWAS nations, they team up together. And they brought in foreign mercenaries. And it is the foreign mercenaries we are fighting with now. Please, let the whole world come. Because let the whole world come for our rescue. Please, no matter who you are, come and help Biafrans. Biafrans are dying. Please, 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 come and help Biafrans. We need assistance. We need assistance. Foreign mercenaries is now in Biafra land, killing our people, killing Biafrans, foreign mercenaries.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, I beg make una share and drop your own opinion for inside comment section.
Ndị be anyị ngwa ndewonu, asị m ka ọ mara unu na mma. Dịka ị nụrụ ihe one of the Biafran Liberation Army commander kwuru n'elu akwụkwọ, ka efi were ikwu n'ụdị nke gị gbasịta maka ya bụ ife ndị a niile kwugasị gbasịta maka ebe ife na-eme n'obodo anyị nọ n'ime ya. Drọpụọla ya na comment section below ebe esi wetara ya bụ ozi ka ebe sịa na ụmụnne m. Ọzọ dị ka ịbịa bụ chetara ya bụ Eastern News 24 ka esi wetara ya bụ ozi ka ebe sịa na ụmụnne m.